Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Today we are here to discuss about coronavirus. Our topic name is coronavirus. Uh, I wanna say something about coronavirus. Is a pandemic virus. The official name of coronavirus. The official name of virus COVID-19.
Everyone. So guys, today we are here to discuss about a topic, and our topic name is COVID-19. So guys, this virus really very danger because lot of people they have lost their life. So are you people ready to speak about this topic?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
First of all, without wasting much time, actually we don't have much time. That is why we cannot waste our time. So without wasting much time, first of all, I would like to call Satyam. Please clap for Satyam. Put your hands together for Satyam.
Hello sir. Hello guys. Hello. Today we are here to discuss about a topic, and our topic name is coronavirus. So guys, as we all know that coronavirus is a pandemic. First of all, I wanna say something about coronavirus. So guys, coronavirus is a zoonotic disease. It normally spread from animal to humans. It can spread through direct contact from food and water and through the environment. I wanna share the symptoms of coronavirus. If a person infected by the virus, so it takes 5 to 6 days to show the symptoms. Most common symptoms are like fever, dry cough and tiredness. Less common symptoms are sore throat, aches and pains, headache, and serious symptoms are difficulty in breathing, loss of taste or smell, and loss of movement or speech. So I would like to say that to prevent of coronavirus, do the following. We should use mask if we go outside, and don't go the place where so many people are gathered. Always put a bottle of sanitizer in your pocket or bag and use it. Avoid unnecessary travel, avoid touching your face. So it was all about my topic. So thank you so much.
Clap for him, guys.
Hello, sir. Hello, my dear friends.
Hello.
We are going to write our topic. Our topic name is coronavirus. Coronavirus is a pandemic. We take coronavirus vaccine. Corona times. We should use masks and sanitizer. During Corona time, coronavirus COVID-19 was got fever. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much for listening and showing patience.
Okay, guys, clap.
Hello, sir. Hello, my dear friend.
Hello.
First of all, I wanna say something about my topic, and our topic name is coronavirus. Coronavirus is very serious disease. And coronavirus is spread by touching. Coronavirus is a first case in Wuhan city of China, December 2019. India people know about coronavirus, and China people came to know about coronavirus. They started traveling to movement of coronavirus. I wanna share how stay away from coronavirus. We should wear mask always and use sanitizer, and we should maintain social distancing. We should take vaccine. And as we all know that because of coronavirus, our education system is being ruined, and many people lost their life because of coronavirus. It is all about my topic. Thank you for listening carefully.
Hello sir, hello my dear friends. Today I will discuss about a topic. My topic name is coronavirus. As we all know that friend, coronavirus is a pandemic. First of all, I wanna share coronavirus. first case of coronavirus was found Wuhan city in China, December 2019. The official name of this virus, COVID-19. How to enter in India coronavirus. When people came to know about this virus, they living in China, they started traveling movement and coronavirus.
Hello sir. Hello my dear friend. Hello. Today we are discuss about the coronavirus. As we known as coronavirus is pandemic. When people Indian in coronavirus about the living in China, they started come movement in the virus is spreading. It is a cough, flu and fever.
Hello my dear friend. Hello. Today we are here to discuss our topic name is coronavirus. So what is coronavirus? Coronavirus is a virus. As we know friends that coronavirus is a pandemic. The official name is virus is COVID-19. First of all I will something about coronavirus. The first case found in Wuhan city of China in December 2019.
Now I would like to call Harkesh. Put your hands together for.
Hello, sir. Hello, my dear friends. Hello. Today we are here to discuss about a topic, and our topic name is coronavirus. As we know, friends, coronavirus is a pandemic. I wanna say something about coronavirus. The official name of coronavirus is COVID-19.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. I am Vishesh, and today I am here to speak something about coronavirus. As we all know that this is a pandemic disease, and the official name of coronavirus is COVID-19, and it is spreading rapidly. That's why we should apply mask, use sanitizer, and keep social distancing. And there are more than 3 crores people have found COVID-19 positive, and some have recovered from this disease, and most around 4 lakh people have died in India. And our Indian cricket team players like Kunal Pandya, Rishabh Pant and Yuzvendra Chahal have found COVID-19 positive, and some players like Deepak Chahar and Manish Pandey, Hardik Pandya and Ishan Kishan, Prithvi Shaw have quarantined because of this virus. And the lockdown of all educational system because of it, it is affecting badly on students, because student they are not going to school and his study, and they are not able to do study in this pandemic. And there are 7.13 million job losses in this pandemic in April 2021. So because of it, the unemployment also increasing rapidly, and it is very big problem for youths in India. So it is all about my topic. Thanks for listening me.
I would like to call Tarun. So put your hand together for Tarun.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. So first of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Tarun Kumar, and I am here to discuss about a topic, and my topic name is coronavirus. So what is coronavirus? It's a pandemic, and its official name is COVID-19, and its first case was found in Wuhan in China in December 2019. So it's a very dangerous virus, and we have
Symptoms, you can share symptoms. What is the symptoms of coronavirus?
So some symptoms of coronavirus is headache and
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. I want to say something about coronavirus. My coronavirus topic. Coronavirus is an infection. It is a caused by socializing. Its spread ratio is very fast.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I am glad to see you. It's my pleasure. How are you? I am fine, and you? I am fine too. How is your life? It's fantastic. And your life? It's fantastic too. I am here to express my views on the topic of coronavirus. Coronavirus is a horrible and terrific disease. What is coronavirus? Coronavirus is a horrible and terrific disease. The official name of this virus is COVID-19. This virus was first identified in China city named Wuhan, December 2019. WHO also declared this virus as a pandemic. Many people were infected by this virus. Earlier there was no medicine of the coronavirus.
Hi guys.
Hi,
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am fine too. How's your life?
It's fantastic, and your life?
It's fantastic too. I am here to express my views on the topic of coronavirus. What is coronavirus? Coronavirus is a horrible and terrific disease. The official name is this virus COVID-19. This virus was identified in China in city Wuhan, December 2019. WHO also declared this virus pandemic. This virus is a pandemic. The precautions of the coronavirus: we should use mask, we should use sanitizer, and we should keep social distancing. Earlier there was no medicine and vaccine. Many people are lost in his life, and many people. India 1 lakh people are lost in life, and 30,000 people are suffering this virus, and we should take one. I should.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I'm glad to see you. It's my pleasure. How are you? I am fine too. How's your life? It's fantastic. It's fantastic too. My name is Aditya Yadav. I am here to share my topic. My topic name is coronavirus. Coronavirus. What is coronavirus? Coronavirus, which is commonly called as COVID-19, infected people around the world, which is cause of the respiratory system in the world. It is the new virus. It is the new virus infected the whole world, battling or sneezing. During December 2019, Bhutan city of China, in March 2020, the World Health Organization WHO declared the COVID-19.
I call you Prince. Please clap for Prince.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I am glad to see you. It's my pleasure. How are you?
I am fine. And how's your life?
I am also fine. How's your life?
It's fantastic. And your life?
It's fantastic too. So hello guys, I am here to explain my views on the topic of coronavirus. So guys, what is coronavirus? The coronavirus is very horrible and very terrific disease. The official name of this virus is COVID-19. The virus was first identified in the city China in Wuhan on December 2019. The virus was very dangerous for person and children, so we keep safely and stay at home. And I wanted to share the precautions of coronavirus. We should keep social distancing. Whenever we should go anywhere, we should keep social distancing, and we should avoid the crowded place. And I wanted to say most important thing to defeat the coronavirus. We should always use mask on our face. We should use N95 mask on our face. If you don't have N95 mask, you should use double mask. And we should use 10 rupee mask. After using mask, you can throw into the garbage. And I wanted to share the third and very most important thing of precaution of coronavirus. We should clean our hand with soap, and we should take bath whenever we come from anywhere, and we should take spray with sanitizer, and we should don't touch our face, we should don't touch anything. And I advise you are 18 plus, you should take vaccination of coronavirus. Thank you so much, very
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I am glad to see you. It's my pleasure. How are you? I'm fine. I am fine too. How is your life? It's fantastic. It's fantastic too. Good morning, sir. I am here to share my view on the topic of coronavirus. First of all, I want to say something about the coronavirus. What is coronavirus? Coronavirus is a horrible and terrific disease. The official name of this virus is COVID-19. This virus is first identified China city in Wuhan, 2019 December. World Health Organization also declared this virus is a pandemic. Many people were infected by this virus. Earlier there was no medicine and no vaccine. We had only one option that he keep precaution. I wanna share key precaution. We should keep social distancing. Whenever we go from anywhere, we should keep social distancing. We should not gather in a place. We avoid crowded place. And the most important thing to defeat of coronavirus, we should always wear mask. It used N95 mask. If you don't have N95 mask, you can use double mask. We should use 10 rupees mask only one time. We should use mask. Throw this garbage in. I wanna say third precaution of coronavirus. We should our clean hand with soap. We should always take bath come from anywhere. We should not touch from anything. We should not touch face. If you have don't gloves, you can wear it. I wanna share advice every citizen who is 18 plus, they should take COVID vaccine. So thank you for listening me carefully.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. I am here to express my views on the topic of coronavirus. What is coronavirus? Coronavirus is horrible and terrific disease. The official name of this virus is COVID-19. This virus was first identified in China and city named Wuhan, and WHO also declared as the epidemic. Many people were infected on this virus, and so.
What is the precautions of coronavirus?
The precaution of coronavirus is we should keep social distancing. We should use masks. We should use hand sanitizer.
Are you using mask?
Yes, I am using masks.
Okay, please continue.
And I wanna say something about the precaution. We should keep social distancing. Whenever we go, we should go outside. We should keep social distance. We should not gather in a place. And the most important and that to defeat coronavirus is we should use we should always use masks, and if we should have N95, we should use it, and we, if you don't have N95 mask, you should use double mask, and we should always use 10 rupees mask only one time and throw into garbage. And I want to share third precaution of coronavirus. We should always wash our hands. We should always use spray sanitizer. We should not touch our face. We should not touch anything.
और कुछ बोलना है आपको? You want to speak more? Please continue.
I want to advise to every citizen who those who are 18 plus, please take coronavirus vaccine. Thank you for listening.
Okay, clap for him.